Good afternoon, everyone, and once again, thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. Now, we are opening this fusion world of Dragon Ball. No doubt, this one is a little bit old. Of course, the latest one is the red box. I forgot the name, but of course, the Ghost Raider is in here also as well. So, let's proceed. Okay. With all due, with no further ado, we will start unboxing this. There you go. Hopefully we can get the very high hits from here. Secret rare, or what is called the I need to this is name. Then we will do one by one, of course. Revealing of the cards inside, what we can pull. Alright, first packs. We put in here. Okay. Engine head, Piccolo, Cooler, and who's this? Android 19? I forgot siya. Ooh, Goku Black. It's a rare. The rare is nice, the foiling. So we just put back in here. Okay, put it here. Okay, next. Ooh, it's a little card of, but it's a normal rare card only. It's a little card of Trunks. Here. Oh, and a rare card. Is it a rare card? Yeah, rare card of Gohan. Nice. Put in here. Oops. Never cut properly. Why like that? Okay, where's the... oh, let's see here. That one you can download, guys. Okay, it's a Goku. Okay, Goku or Gohan? I think Gohan. Hit! One of my favorite characters is Hit. Shin. And this one is... okay, uncommon. And rare card Goku. Nice. Oh, the foiling is freaking insane. Yeah. Alright. This one is oh, okay, this is the one. Okay, the gods, Krillin, Master Roshi, Goku, okay, the Ginyu Forces, and Frieza. So this is a SR? Is it SR? Guys, I'm not... oh, okay, it's a rare. Okay, rare Frieza. Nice. What we can get from here, I'm not too sure also. Why I never cut properly here. Okay. There you go. Pink Goku. Dodoria. Han. Goku. Android 17. And this one is rare cards, Trunks, Future Trunks, Future Trunks. Wait. Oh, it's a little card. Android 17 and 18. Oh, it's an Android 17 dealer card. Okay, put it here. Okay, Frieza, Vegeta, Bulma, yeah, and what is this? Rare card. Level 48. Oh, normal card, no 48. Okay, understand. So long I never do the unboxing, that's why. And I never often unbox this Dragon Ball, so that's why I have no idea. Master Pogi. Shin. Okay. 17. Rare cards again. Ooh, Android 18. Too many rare cards we pulled at this moment. We haven't get the hit, guys. This one, the little cards that we've been pulled recently is the normal little card. It's not the parallel one. Okay, hit 18. Black. No, it's not a black one. A different one. Uncommon, rare. Junior Trunks. Is it Gohan? Not too sure. That's no more. I think it's Trunks. I don't know. Well, guys, we still long, so we'll see. Oops. Who is this? Oh, Frieza. Krillin. Pilaf. Pilaf, yeah. And what is this? Uncommon. Yeah, it's uncommon. Ooh, normal, rare card. Yeah. This one is the time skipping also. Like you cannot move the power because of time. Okay. Next. Tension Hand. Oh, yeah, it's Tension Hand. Yeah. Bulma, Yajirobe. What is this? A rare card? Trunks. Alright, next. Goku with the Kamehameha. Oh, the father of Frieza. Gohan. Oops. Frieza and Gohan. Rare card. Okay, down to the half already, guys. So we haven't get the hits. Okay, Piccolo, Pan, Perfect 17, Vegeta, Whis. Oh, this one is what? It's Whis. What is this? Okay. SIR. Oh, it's SR plus. I don't know what is that. Let's reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nice. SR. I think this one got the I think have the price on it. Maybe. So we put this first. I think there is a first SR that we pulled. Android 17 and 18. Nice pull. Our first SR. Okay. Oh, little card. Gohan. Yeah, this is the front one. When you clip back, then it becomes like this. Okay. Vegeta Blue, Super Saiyan Blue, Piccolo, and a rare card. It's a rare card, guys. Yeah. Raccoon. I think this one is Raccoon, if I'm not mistaken. The name. Okay. So far we have the SR. first SR of this booster box. Come on. Give me some good hits. Ay, come on. God Hand. Okay. The Ancient Hand. Vegeta. Trunks. And what is this? SR. Okay. Oh, another SR of Android 17 and 18. I think this one is the Android. What? Is it Android box? Booster box? Maybe. I'm not too sure, guys. But I guess so. Okay, second SR. I think some SR got the value, but I'm not too sure yet. Okay, Genu Forces. Piccolo. Han. Oh, like this one is like the cockroach. The looks. Then what is this, Yan? What is this? Yeah, it's a rare, but oh, it's a capsule. Oh, nice, huh? The volume, huh? Capsule Corp. Hey, okay. I think I need to cut this. Not cartoon. Okay. Alright. Perfect 17. Piccolo, Super Saiyan Blue, Vegeta, Android 16, and Super Saiyan's Blue Goku. It's uncommon, but it's nice. And what is this? Let's see, is it SR? Oops. Yeah, it's a SR, but I have no idea. Let's reveal in 3, 2, 1. Seno. Oh, it's a Genu Forces. Hey. Why I get this nonsense? These are Genu Forces some more. Walao. Never. But that's the card that I pulled. What to do? Okay. Let's proceed. This is the henchman of the Frieza. Okay, Paul Cell versus Goku. I forgot his name. The brother of Virus. Okay, Khalifa. Android 17. Okay, it's a rare. Oh, it's a SR. Oh, I see. I thought it's a rare, but it's a SR, guys. Yeah, it's a SR. Super Saiyan's Pink. It's a Black Goku. Okay, so we have a 4 SR already. Now we are down to the main hits. What hits we can get? Either Spirit Card, Alternate Arts, Secret Rare, or Ghost Rare. Are we able to pull the Ghost Rare here? Let's see. Gohan. Forgot his name. Capsule Corp, and then the Frog. Ooh, this one is a rare. Yeah. Rare card, Super Saiyan's Blue, Vegeta. Nice. Very nice. Alright, let's take. Why I never cut properly with this. Okay, I cut this one again. It didn't cut properly. A bit too thick or something. Yep. Honestly. Alright. Let's proceed. Some sort. Okay. Rare. Oh. The Priest God. Yeah. another, what is this here? A rare card. Jinyu, the general, changing the soul, taking the body. Okay, oh, this one's the android one, the robot. Android 17, this one I don't know. Let's see, what is the red card? Oh, Krillin! Actually, Krillin is the superhuman already because he can move fast. So he's one of the superhuman. Can fly also. Oh, Master Kogi. You can do the key blast also some more. So he's a superhuman already. Oh, it's a android Frieza. Okay, down to 3. Let's see what we can get. Oh, I saw the shining there. I think this one is the high hits. Okay. Super Saiyan Blue, Goku, Geo, I guess. Android 20, Android 16, Shin, and all that. It's a different. Rare card. Too many rare cards. Okay, it's Super Saiyan Trunks. Oh, this one is a leader? Yeah, it's a leader. Goku Black. Piccolo. Pilaf. No, hit. Oh, hey, no more. It's a rare card. Oh, nice. A lot of rares, huh? So this one is the last pack magic, guys. Last pack magic. What we can get? Come on. Let's proceed. Okay. Oh, this one is nil. And oh no, there is no high hits. Oh, this one. I think this one the high hits. Okay. Is it SR only? Oh. Let's reveal in 3, 2, 1. Seno. Oh, it's a Vegeta. So what is my high hits then? I really don't know. I can't follow Xian. I really can't follow what is my high hits in here. Okay, anyway, I think this is the high hits. But this one is what rarity? SR plus. Maybe this is the high hits. Okay, so before we do the recap, I'll keep this one first, guys. Okay. Alright. Maybe later we check how much is in the market. So this is what we hit. An SR, Super Saiyan Vegeta, SR Goku Black, SR Geno Forces, SR the siblings 17 and 18, and none other than our SR Plus is this Android 17 and 18. Yeah, so I think this one need to top loader or something. I guess so. Maybe, huh? So if you guys I will upload my another video of Dragon Ball. I managed to pull the secret rare Gohan. Yeah, so I will share with you guys also. Alright guys, if you like this unboxing session, this one is all the leader cards, normal leader cards, yeah, non-parallel. So if you like the unboxing of a Dragon Ball, please comment down below and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, and if you are already a subscribers into my YouTube channel, go ahead and spread the news and share with your loved ones, share with your family and friends regarding on these unboxing sessions. All right. So thank you guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe. All right. Thank you and have a good day, guys. See you on my next video. Thanks and goodbye.